Hi guys, we are heading. Ay, gisapot si JD. Okay. Hi guys, we are heading to SM. Gagawa tayo ng DIY Korean samgyeopsal. So I'm here with me again, my sexy friends, si Mahal and si Miss Jackie and si Ramon Y. Quarta. Yes, so try na to mag DIY o Korean. Nakaliplos ko gahat si Kuan. And Sam.
Say hi, Sam.
Okay, and Sephora.
The object, the new fun of the boat.
Okay, so we're heading there. We're here in SM and we found, I posted in Facebook last night, and I'm gonna buy this bulgogi marinade, beef marinade, then sesame oil, tapos where's the other one? Ayan, they suggested this samjang, and of course this kimchi seasoning. Ayan, put it down, and we were gonna buy this green ramen. Sorry, Jim ramen mild only. It's 47. Ayan. Then we're gonna buy the lettuce and the meat. Okay, let's go. You put it down. So I will gonna with the griller that I bought, it was bought in Singapore. Pero when you check in Shopee, meron kayo mabibili na griller din doon, guys. So you can have it. Honey curd, bacon.
Okay, Ate Sam, how was your experience today? Good. So you like going to supermarket? This wet market? So, what are we gonna cook later?
I don't know.
Korean food. So, okay, so Sephora. Okay, look to Ate Sam.
Say hi.
Hello. Hello, JD. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna go to cashier. We'll pay our stuff. Let's go. Sephora, come here. So our ingredients is now complete, and we're heading to cashier to pay our
An interview with my two best friends. So what are the differences of single life and being married?
Just ask Jack.
Next question. Okay, the Miss DSWD. Ba't lang yun? Sabihin lang, sige na.
It is very different. Being married, you have lots of consideration to think before
Spending. Are you talking about finances?
then. First thing first, you need to consider the things that your daughter needs. Oh, sige na.
Gaya ngayon, ang gulo. Ang gulo. So, since si Mahal ang may foreigner na husband, siya ang toka sa pag-i-English.
Sure. Like 3.5 akong English na.
Kulang at ano. Okay na guys, bali bacon, walang beef. So, yun na yun. Come here, come here, come here, come here. We bought squid balls, shrimps, potatoes. So, ganun na lang. Okay, bye. We have here the Korean barbecue sauce and the sesame oil plus this. We don't have the kimchi, so I just bought this kimchi seasoning and we were gonna dip the lettuce to put on the lettuce and this ramen. So I will just marinate first. We bought bacon. Then I have chicken here. So we bought shrimp and this one. I have chicken here and pork and hot dogs. So I will update you later. Then ito, we will marinate the bacon with this bulgogi Korean barbecue sauce.
And then wash it and everything to it. Breaking out today when I can music.
Oo, kanang black.
And here I added SAMJANG. So this is non-spicy, this is spicy. So this is the pork. Yan. Okay. We are almost done. So this is the grill. We have this bacon strips. So ito with the bulgogi and this one with the samjang and the gochujang that I have here. Then squid balls, hot dog, chicken, shrimp. I forgot. We will gonna prepare potatoes, my favorite, and this one. Tapos of course kanin, and we will gonna have this ramen. Iniinit ko lang yung pot. So we will start grilling na. Excited nang kumain ng dalawa. Okay, we here if you want. And this one later. I don't put in the middle, Joe, because we will put the noodle.
Yes.
But there's a lot. Pila ko ha? Hindi na lang pag kompleto na to. Here, I will put the noodle. I have to wipe it off. I will put the noodle here, Joe. Because we have the ramen.
I told you that wedding is going to be
Okay, this is patient eating patient. Ayan. So here, I will gonna open. Pagod sa sorry na. Ikaw na lang, Jack. I'll open the ramen. I thought this is mild. My God, mix na ako. Mild and spicy.
That mild is spicy also, but mild.
Mild and spicy. Okay lang. So, mali akong pagkalaman. Sorry. Okay.
Mama, this ano na ganun?
Wait ka, not yet. Kay daddy number. This one?
Ate Mai!
Putan.
Ayaw ipagulit sa yaman.
Okay, we can sit down and eat na. We don't have the chopsticks, so just use the phone.
Mami lang kasi mami. Mami ah? Mami ah?
Yeah, that's good lang.
Mga wala. Ang sa charger ganyan na ginamit ko dito sa Cebu, mahal na kaya ito.
300 only.
But actually, the 300 is only the pork. You cannot really have the chicken. So here, itong yang is almost 700
Per person.
per person.
But here, it's unlimited.
Yeah. So go, let's see. Wait lang. Just waiting for them.
Can you put some bacon?
Anak.
No. Anak daw, anak.
Okay, sige na. Sit down na. Thank you kasi ang tapadhal.
Pero,
Green.
Sorry. Okay.
what do you want na?
Yan. Yan. So, let's eat, guys. I think Joe will pray.
To all things. We love you, Father. Please continue to give us your Holy Spirit. Keep us safe and guide us safely in all the things we do. We thank you now. Bless this home. Please forgive us of our sins. We pray in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Okay.
So, yun pala guys, that's for our Korean barbecue. We spend around, actually, hindi siya, 1,900 yung sa bill ko, pero I should say mga nasa 1,700 lang siguro siya. Kasi, yung iba dun mga yogurts. So, sa 1,700, marami pa akong sobra ng mga dips and sauces, and marami pa ding mga bacon, at saka ano. So, ayan, ito pa yung mga dips. Ayan pa yung mga nabili ko ng mga dips. Tapos, ang dami pa ding gulay. Ang dami pa ring mga karne. Andun pa rin yung mga shrimp and everything. So, nag-compute kami ni Mai kung kinain namin yung sa Tongyang or any mga samgyupsal ngayon na nasa 600. Inabot siya ng mga 4,000 plus, almost 5,000, which is yun, nasa 1,000 plus lang. And, marami pang sobra ng dips and sauces. So, excited ako kasi pupunta si na mama dito and gagawin ulit namin ang samgyupsal. So, I hope you enjoyed that video, guys. And that's it for today. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye-bye. Say bye. See you soon. Say see you soon.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Take care.
I love you.